A hospital reduced to rubble, civilians buried under fire, a region in chaos, and now a warning from the man who never warns lightly. June 20th, Vladimir Putin does not make predictions, but today he made an exception. He said the words no one wanted to hear, but the world cannot ignore. When the leader of a nuclear superpower says a global war is already in motion, that's not politics, that's a siren. I'm Uma, this is Trendline Times, and tonight we bring you the truth buried beneath fire, fear, and silence. June 20th, Russia's President Vladimir Putin stood at the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum and did not mince words. It is disturbing. I am speaking without any irony, without any jokes. Of course, there is a lot of conflict potential. It is growing and it is right under our noses. He wasn't speaking in metaphors. He pointed to the Israel-Iran war, the Ukraine front, and the nuclear tensions boiling beneath the surface. Putin warned that global tensions have reached a level not seen since the Cold War. He called for all conflicts to be resolved peacefully, but warned that the world may not be listening anymore. We are concerned about the possibility of a global war. All conflicts must be resolved by peaceful means. Coming from a man who has launched invasions, when he says global war, the world should pay attention. Israel just bombed military sites in Isfahan and Iraq, including areas near Iran's nuclear reactor. Iran has vowed revenge, and in the middle of this firestorm, Putin says the global fuse is burning. It affects us directly. It is right under our noses. When a nuclear state says that, it is not a threat, it is a countdown. As leaders gather and delay, people run for their lives. From Tel Aviv to Tehran, from Gaza to Haifa, the skies are no longer safe. Shelters are filling, missiles are multiplying. They aren't talking about peace, they are talking about survival. Putin's words were not prophecy, they were a mirror, a reflection of what we are already seeing and what we are refusing to stop. Because if the world stays silent now, we are not walking into history, we are walking into fire. The war is not coming, it is already here, not just with missiles, but with silence, denial, and fear. Putin has warned, Iran has struck, Israel has answered, and the world stands on a fault line, whispering peace while walking toward fire. When a hospital becomes a target, when civilians become shields, when leaders speak of peace but prepare for war, history does not just repeat, it explodes. We are not here to take sides, we are here to uncover what is real, even if the world does not want to hear it. I'm Uma, this is Trendline Times, and when the smoke rises and the truth tries to hide, we dig until we find it. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay safe, and stay with us because this story is far from over.